How to get HelloFresh promo code. For this, open a browser and search for HelloFresh promo code. You will find a lot of websites dealing with promo codes, so you can go ahead and select to any one of this code as well. So currently HelloFresh itself is dealing with some promo code, so you can check it out by visiting their website as well. So here I have selected a website, and as you can see there are a lot of codes that I can select from. If you are interested in something and you want to know more, just tap on show more. Now once you are satisfied with the perks of the coupon, just go ahead and tap on view coupon. Simply tap on copy to copy the code. If you want to use it instantly, go ahead and tap on visit HelloFresh, where you'll be redirected to its official webpage. Firstly, select a plan, then you have to register, you have to add your address, your checkout, and then you have to select a meal. Now, as you can see, the code has been already applied. To start with the process, go ahead and select a plan, then tap on select this plan. Secondly, go ahead and enter email address, then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you have to again go ahead and enter your password, then tap on log in. You have to add your shipping address and make sure that you have added it correctly. You can give it a tick mark if you want offers and promotions in a text message. On to the next step is checkout, where you have to select a payment method, and right there you will see your promo code applied. Then simply check out from your HelloFresh. And at the end of it, you can go ahead and select meal plans for you. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.